Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase Nissan Leaf range. First, understanding your driving habits is key to maximizing efficiency. Always ensure your tires are inflated to the recommended pressure, which can significantly improve your range. Also, master the art of regenerative braking. It's a powerful tool for recovering energy and extending your journey. These initial steps lay the groundwork for a more efficient electric driving experience. To truly extend your Nissan Leaf's range, adopt a smooth driving style. Avoid sudden accelerations and harsh braking, as these waste energy. High-speed driving is a major battery drain, so try to keep your speed moderate whenever possible. Engaging your car's eco mode will also help by optimizing power delivery and climate control settings, giving you more miles from each charge. These habits make a big difference. Proper battery care is crucial for maintaining your Nissan Leaf's range over time. Aim to keep your battery charge between 20% and 80% for optimal longevity. While convenient, try to avoid frequent DC fast charging, as it can degrade battery health over extended periods. Regular vehicle inspections are also important to ensure all systems are running efficiently, contributing to your overall range. For even greater range, consider preconditioning your cabin while your Leaf is still plugged in. This uses grid power instead of your battery to heat or cool the interior. Also, reducing any unnecessary weight in your vehicle can slightly improve efficiency. And speaking of efficiency, if you're looking to streamline your daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They can make your life much easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.